home screen of the application. Very good application. Thanks for finding that for your YouTube channel. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, you may need this application in your collection as well. So here you can go at the top, as you can see, you have the tags from title. By just entering a YouTube title, you'll be able to get great ranking tags for your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is enter what you want here. Let's say you want to enter football. I'm not entering something simple, guys. So let's say you enter football, let me find something, but this is just regular simple, not really a tag, not really a title, but you understand, you get the understanding. But it does give you good tags for you to use from just you entering your title. And as well, you have the SEO checklist, which it does check your YouTube videos. All you have to do is go ahead and copy your YouTube video link and paste it here, and it will give you a rundown of everything that's missing from your YouTube video that should be added. If your thumbnail needs fixing, if your description needs fixing, if your tags, your video title need fixing, everything it will give you and pretty much explain to you what needs to be done. So very good application, as I said to you guys as well. So the ranking option is pretty much you uploading or copying your YouTube link, then also entering the title or the keyword of that YouTube video, and it will pretty much give you a ranking for your video, how much your video rank on YouTube. Very good tool, and you can pretty much check your video rankings. So as well, you can pretty much use your keywords or your title to pretty much find other people's within your niche that pretty much our competitors can see here, and very good as well. So if you're in the football niche, if you do football videos, can pretty much enter a keyword or your title, and you pretty much find other people that are doing videos that are very similar to you. So we'll pretty much find the top 5 videos, as you can see at the top, that are on YouTube that other people are watching. And yeah, you can pretty much go ahead and copy those videos or do it in a better way for you to get more views than them, basically. So you do have this option here where it says get tags from link from URL. Can as well copy tags that other people have already used. Let's say you have seen a famous video and you want to copy the top tag that they have used. All you have to do is pretty much copy the YouTube video link, tap on this option, and you paste the link here, and you should pretty much be good to go. So you can pretty much go on the tap on YouTube option pretty much as a shortcut, nothing much for that. Then you search for the video, then you come back here and then you tap on the paste option, then you tap on and check. Usually when you do tap on the paste option, it will pretty much automatically start checking. So as well, you do have the top tags for today will rank by the country and so forth. Well, you need a subscription for that feature. So some of these features you may need a subscription, so do keep that in mind, guys. You also have the backlinks, which you can add to your YouTube videos. If you want to do that, you can pretty much go on YouTube or type in one or YouTube backlinks, and you get more information about that. But anyways, so that's really pretty much the application overall. You have the option to get a subscription for you to get access to the other premium features. So if I do tap on this option here, you will give me the option to purchase the subscription. As you can see here, you have a more likely $4. Let's say $4 for a subscription per month, but not that specifically, but this option here, the shop option, is pretty much where you go to get your subscription, pretty much unlock all of their features. So here you have the backlinks, which pretty much requires you to get a subscription. You can see here you have this one here, but if you do get your subscription, you'll be able to remove everything, the ads, getting backlinks, and pretty much everything that the application offers. You can see here the prices, and you do get 40% off if you do buy from now. But yeah, but it's a very good application that you guys should check out. You should add it in the collection as well. And if you're thinking about growing your YouTube channel, you should check out the vidIQ application. We will be doing a review on that as well. You can use my code AppInsiderPro. We'll link the link in the description. We'll add a link in the description so you guys can check it out and pretty much save you guys on their subscription. So that's really pretty much it. See you guys in the next one.